In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give Shopify store access to your staff or developer by adjusting user and permission settings. This process is crucial for ensuring the right people can perform the necessary tasks on your store without compromising security. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by heading to your Shopify store's admin dashboard. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to make sure you're signed into your Shopify account with the right credentials that have sufficient administrative privileges. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu. This is your central hub for navigating through all the different sections of Shopify. And today we'll focus on granting access to users. Next, from the dashboard, make your way over to the Settings area. It's located at the bottom of the left-hand menu, just above Logout. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the Users and Permissions option. This section is vital because it houses all records of user access and permissions within your store. It's where you'll configure who can do what and to what extent. Once you're on the Users and Permissions page, it's time to set up the new access. You'll see a list of existing users who already have access to the store. If it's empty or you're planning to add a new staff member or developer, look for the button labeled Add Staff Account or something similar. Go ahead and click on it. Shopify will prompt you to fill out some essential details for the new account. Typically, you'll need to input the person's name and email address. These are crucial because the email is where the new user will receive their invite and login credentials. After entering the necessary information, the next step is to define what this new user can do on your store. Shopify provides various permissions you can toggle on or off. These settings allow you to customize what areas of the store the user can access. You can grant permissions for things like managing products, processing orders, or viewing reports. Take your time here to ensure you're granting the correct level of access. Typically, a developer might need access to different areas compared to a marketing staff member. Be precise to maintain the store's security. After you have set the permissions to your satisfaction, hit the Send Invite button. Shopify will then send an invitation email to the address you provided. This email includes instructions for the new user on how to set up their account and access your store. Make sure they check their spam folder if they don't see it right away. That's it! You've successfully learned how to give your staff or developer access to your Shopify store. Keep in mind, it's always a good practice to periodically review user permissions and adjust them as your business needs evolve.